Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Science with Kuratlan Aziz. Today we are starting our remaining topic of cell membrane part 2, which includes structure and function of plasma membrane. If you have not seen the part 1 of a cell membrane, you can go and check it out on I button, and also you can go in description and see the link of it. But before I start my video, one thing I want to say, if my video creates value in your life, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Structure or fluid mosaic model. The fluid mosaic model was first given by S.J. Singer and Garth Nicholson in 1972 to explain the structure of a cell membrane. Size. The thickness of the cell membrane is about 5 to 10 nanometer. The fluid mosaic model explained plasma membrane as a mosaic of phospholipids, carbohydrates, protein and cholesterol that gives membrane a fluid character. Proportions of macromolecules in plasma membrane. In this topic, we are going to study about different quantity of different structures present in the plasma membrane. The quantity of protein, lipid and carbohydrate proportion in the plasma membrane vary with cell type, but for a typical human cell, the proportion is protein is about 50%, carbohydrates is about 10%, and all lipids, which are phospholipid, sterols and cholesterol, their quantity is about 40%. Explanation. The modern explanation of cell membrane is based on fluid mosaic model. Plasma membrane is composed of phospholipid bilayer with their hydrophobic ends, fatty acid tails in contact with each other. The surface of membrane is studded with protein. Some of the proteins serve to transport material into or out of the cell. Carbohydrates are attached to some of the proteins and lipids on the outer surface of a membrane. Fluidity in cell membrane. We know that cell membrane is fluid in nature. The fluid nature of the membrane is because of fatty acid tails and the presence of cholesterol in membrane, and the mosaic appearance is due to protein and carbohydrate complexes which are not firmly fixed on one place. Plasma membrane encloses border of cell, but it's not a static bag. Cell membrane is dynamic and constantly in a movement. Functions of plasma membrane. Important functions performed by cell membrane is enlisted below. These are protection, shape, passive transport, active transport, endocytosis and exocytosis. First here is protection. Plasma membrane separates cytoplasm of cell from extracellular environment. In this way, it provides protection to the internal organelles of a cell membrane. Shape. By associating with cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is a structure present in the cytoplasm. We discuss it later in our videos. It plays an important role to provide shape to the cell. Passive transport. Passive transport include osmosis and diffusion. First here is a definition. Passive transport processes do not require any energy. Some substances like small molecules or ions can move easily across a plasma membrane by the help of diffusion and osmosis. Example of passive transports are respiratory gases, which is carbon dioxide and oxygen, can move inside or outside the membrane by the help of a diffusion. So the note here is what is diffusion and osmosis. Diffusion means movement of molecules or ions freely from higher to lower concentration. Osmosis is a movement of water molecules from higher to lower concentration through semi-permeable membrane. By osmosis, cell membrane maintain osmotic pressure inside and outside the cell. If the pressure is not maintained, so cell may die, shrink or may swell. The next is active transport. Active transport requires energy because movement of ions or molecules occur from lower to higher concentration. Active transport occurs in the cell membrane by two ways: endocytosis and exocytosis. Endocytosis, endo means inside and cytosis means a cell. It is a process in which cell membrane takes material by engulfing them in the form of a vacuole. Example of endocytosis is phagocytosis and pinocytosis. Phagocytosis, phago means to eat and cytosis means cell. In phagocytosis, cell membrane engulf solid particles or materials. Pinocytosis, pino means to drink and cytosis means cell. In pinocytosis, cell membrane take liquid material in bulk and make it in a vesicles form. Exocytosis, exo means outside and cytosis means a cell. It is a process in which cell membrane excrete or release material outside the cell is called exocytosis. The next is transporters. Transport protein extend from one end of a lipid bilayer. They function on both sides of a membrane to transport molecule across the membrane or across it. Example are sugar and amino acids, etc. Thanks for watching my video, and special thanks for those people who are already supporting me, and I need more support from my viewers. Please comment us which topic you want to see in a video. Give your feedback about the video. Enjoy the video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.